October 3rd, Yellowknife. It's 15 degrees. Perfect day to play hooky. Take the dogs for a walk in the park. It's so nice. Just look at them rolling in the leaves. Or maybe you can't see them. Oh God, maybe they're rolling in something dead. I like to do that. Deuce, get out of there! Deuce! Get over there! What are you doing in there? Stuff on the water. Another 3 weeks and it'll be frozen. Maybe it's just dead leaves they're playing in. Casa, did you get wet? We was in the water. Hello. Hello. Beautiful. Oh, Casta, does that feel good? Crazy girl. Yeah, I like that, don't you?